Okay, let's take a look at the fractal settings under the Create mode. Now, the first one of our settings is once again a preset, which allows you to choose between rolling plains, rough mountains, or just adding a little bit of noise. I'm not even going to worry too much about these. Again, they're just kind of adjusting some sliders, and I think maybe whoever decided on those presets and I don't really see eye to eye with what rolling plains really look like.
Well, that already had a really good sense of humor.
Could be. But it's pretty basic here. We have delta, first off, which is really just the amount of noise being added. If you drag this all the way down to 0 and apply, you get virtually no noise, and if you set it all the way up to 1, you get the spikiest, jaggediest, I don't know, bed of nails of a terrain that you've ever even heard of. So the idea here is to find some value in between the two that you would find useful. And generally speaking, I don't think I have ever just applied Fractal at full 100%. Usually I just use it as a final touch feature, and I add it as a little bit of blend once I'm already done. So in most cases, I'll start off with something like Voronoi and generate some cells kind of like this, and then jump over to Fractal. And if you do switch over to the Add Noise preset, you see what it does. It takes delta with up to 0.75, which is still pretty severe, but it pulls that blend down to 0.05, which is really, really soft. So if we click, boom, you see we're just adding kind of a nice little subtle amount of noise all across the surface of the terrain. And that's generally about the furthest I'll ever go. Even this, though, with the terrain resolution that we're using, is pretty jaggedy, and trying to run across the surface of this would probably stop our character and create all kinds of lumps and bumps and jitters.
All right, we definitely still have to smooth this out as well.
That's right. Again, though, this is just a nice place to start. So that is a quick look at the fractal settings inside the Create mode, and that's all there is to it. So that's going to wrap things up for this video.